Apparently, this thrift store broke TikTok because of its amazing inventory and prices. Will it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Right? Shut up. How much is it? $150. You guys, these people are shell crazy. Look at the art. Art! Today we are headed to BTS Thrift, which is a thrift store in the South Carthay neighborhood of LA. Apparently people went crazy for this thrift store when someone on TikTok posted a video tour. Ed, my brother, and I are cautiously optimistic, and as you know, I'm only looking for things that can fit in my suitcase. All right, we're at BTS Thrift in LA. My brother's gonna go check out those chairs. The activities start outside. You wanna get in this one, Eddie? No, bye. I like these. Those are yours. I was like, you can't get those. You own those already. Wow. How much are you going to put yours on Facebook Marketplace for? Ed? No? Just, you're not going to sell them? I don't know that you're going to get those chairs of your dreams. I think that time may have come and gone. I don't know. Are you going to pay to have them shipped? Let's go right first.
Hey, I worked long and hard to find you a blanket. I actually had it specially printed for you.
Go ahead and show me. Is it this? This? To my right? Shut up. How much is it? $150. You guys, these people are shell crazy. Keep looking though. Keep looking. Come on, Eddie. You've got a good eye. Look at the art. Art! Where's a marble lamp? Where? That's not the kind I like, though. You hear him giggling.
Hey, do you want this TV?
Okay, we can only bring back little art, though, you guys. Little art. That's kind of the problem. $80. Oh, a mirror back here? Wow, how much is this? It says $140 on that sticker in the back. Hey.
There's a lot of
art over there. $24, it's so cute. So teeny. It's a butter ball. Yo, $150? Okay. I mean, maybe it's real crystal or something because I see those at the thrift store all the time. I mean, this is a thrift store, but I see them for a lot cheaper than that. This is pretty. Hello, sir. 70 for him. Oh my god, okay, you guys. $8. $20. It's kind of expensive for that. Oh, I have these on. I think I listed it on my Poshmark with a bunch of other balls, decorative balls. A bunch of shells for $12. This is one of those things, you guys, where I am gonna look through this, but I'm gonna look through the footage and go, oh my god, how come you didn't see that? How come you didn't pick that up? Just because there's so much. Hello. Beethoven. This is very lightweight. I don't know what it's made out of, but it's very, very lightweight. There's a little topiary like we made. This is those family art pieces, right? That's $250 for that. Ton of silver back there. A bunch of shells. 28. Okay. $68 for one of these. I mean, I have a similar one listed for like $20 maybe on my Poshmark. Wait. $80. Come on.
My name is Morgan. Danny is the guy at the call.
What is this?
What's this? This is cool. These are bookends. These are cool. Hey, what do you think? A lot of stuff. What else do you think? Have you been looking at the prices? I mean, I picked something up and I said, this is insane. I don't know what else to say. I mean, what will the thumbnail, you guys, for this is going to be like, I was shocked to silence, right? Stunned into silence. I mean, for this is, I'm sorry. I mean, I know it's going to like a good cause, but I mean, I'm a good cause, you know? This is crazy to me. It makes me regret not buying everything at the flea market this morning. I was seriously, I have such buyer's remorse. $8 a piece. They should be $8 for the whole thing. Like, come on. I mean, this is how much they would, $8 would be what they are at the oh, Ed walked away. I'm talking to you guys because he walked away. That'd be like what they are at the Mart Collective that we were earlier. I'm stunned. Am I missing something? What am I missing? Here you go, babies. There you go. This is a pretty plate. Pretty plate, $10. I guess let's think of it like it's art, right? Would you buy a painting for $8? You would. I would. Oh wow, it's so much heavier than I thought. $8. Pretty. $16. You see these everywhere? $2. Okay, yeah, that should be $2. How much is this? $4. Okay, that sounds right. $14. $13. Watching this back, my overall opinion of the store is they are generally overpriced. According to their website, 100% of proceeds go to a long-term treatment center, which helps people learn how to live in recovery from addiction. If I could, I would rather shop at a thrift store that supports a cause than one for profit. What are your thoughts? Are these prices high or are they right for what they've got? Would you rather thrift at a store with a cause? Is BTS Thrift worth the hype? You guys are good at spotting gems, so maybe you'll see what I didn't. Whatever your thoughts, sound off in the comments, but keep it clean and keep it kind, please. Next week, we are going to a design warehouse. It's 40,000 square feet of interior design goodies. See you then. Bye.